ready to ditch the repetitive shipping tasks and unlock a world of automation. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to integrate ShipStation with Zapier, so you can automate your shipping workflows in minutes. First, you'll need an active ShipStation account and a Zapier account. If you don't have them already, head over to their respective websites and sign up. Once you're logged into Zapier, click the Create Zap button to start building your automated workflow. In the Trigger section, search for and select ShipStation as your trigger app. This is the app that starts your automation. Now choose your trigger event. This is the specific event in ShipStation that will kick off your Zap. For example, you might select New Order to trigger an action whenever a new order comes in. Zapier will then ask you to connect your ShipStation account. Follow the instructions to authorize Zapier by using your ShipStation API keys. You can find these within your ShipStation account settings under API. Next, it's time to choose your action app. This is the app you want to use to perform a task after the trigger event in ShipStation. Common options include Google Sheets, Slack, or even other shipping-related apps. Select your desired action event for the action app. This tells Zapier exactly what you want to do. For example, create spreadsheet row in Google Sheets, or send channel message in Slack. Now, map the data from ShipStation to the fields in your action app. This ensures that the correct information is transferred. For example, you can map the customer's name and address from the ShipStation order to the corresponding fields in your Google Sheet. Test your Zap to make sure everything is working as expected. If the test is successful, you're ready to turn on your Zap. Just toggle the switch to activate it and watch your automated shipping workflows come to life. Enjoy your newfound time and efficiency.